Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to my channel Lily's Beauty World. In today's video, I will be sharing 100% effective vitamin C serum at home. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. To prepare this highly effective serum, you firstly gonna need 2 oranges and then peel that oranges. Then remove their white portion with knife like I am showing in the video. If there is few white portion left in it, then it's okay because it's not useful nor harmful. After collecting all the peels, add 2 to 2.5 cup of boiling water in it and cover it up and leave it overnight. In the morning, color of the water turns into orange color and all the goodness of orange peel transfer in the water. This water helps to brighten your skin tone and helps to reduce melanin production in skin. You're gonna need a mixer jar and add all these peels with water in a mixer jar and grind them well. And please take a big mixer jar because I made a mistake that I took small jar and some water came out while mixing. So take a big mixer jar and strain in a clean bowl. It's a combination of that water and orange essential oil. It helps to brighten up and clarify your skin. Don't throw this leftover residue. You can use this residue as a face cleanser. To make a serum from this, you have to take a clean bowl. Then add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Then add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. And mix them really well. After mixing, add 2 tablespoons of orange water and mix them well to get proper consistency of serum. Like this. Then again add 2 to 3 tablespoons and mix. Repeat this method until you get a consistency like a serum. After mixing, your homemade vitamin C serum is ready. You can store this serum in any bottle you have. Here I am transferring this serum in spray bottle. Now I will show you how to apply this serum. Cleanse your face with your cleanser and apply your regular toner and then apply this serum. Spray this serum all over your face and gently massage your face. If you want to store this serum in any pump bottle or dropper bottle, then add this serum in a bottle. Then take a cotton ball and add 3 to 4 drops of this serum on a cotton ball and apply it all over your face. Then gently massage your face. This serum helps to brighten up your skin and clarify your skin. This vitamin C serum also helps to reduce melanin production in the skin, which helps to lighten hyperpigmentation and brown spots and even out skin tone. So this is today's vitamin C serum guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you guys like my video, then please do like, share it to your family and friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting me. Take care. Bye bye.